Today we're going to learn how to create 5 different variations of square knot: a twisting knot, a square knot, an alternating square knot, a berry knot, and a fishbone knot. All of these start with you needing to know how to make a lark's head knot. Simply double over your strand of rope and poke it behind your pole. The loop will tuck out down the bottom and thread the 2 strands of rope through the hole. We'll start off by making a twisting knot, which is the easiest of the variations. You will need 2 pieces of rope threaded in a lark's head knot in order to create your twisting knot. This will give you 4 strands of rope. Take the first rope, create a 90-degree angle over the second and third ropes and under the fourth. Now take the fourth rope and create a 90-degree angle under the second and third and pull through the loop created by the first 90-degree angle. All you need to do now is repeat this knot in the same order to create the twisting knot. Take the first rope, create a 90-degree angle over the second and third ropes and under the fourth. Now take the fourth rope and create a 90-degree angle under the second and third and pull through the loop created by the first 90-degree angle. Repeat this knot over until you've got the desired length. Second, we're going to create the square knot. Repeat the first step you learnt from the twisting knot by taking the first rope, create a 90-degree angle over the second and third ropes and under the fourth. Now take the fourth rope and create a 90-degree angle under the second and third and pull through the loop created by the first 90-degree angle. Now instead of repeating that step again, we're going to do it backwards to create the square knot. Take the fourth rope, create a 90-degree angle over the second and third ropes and under the first. Now take the first rope and create a 90-degree angle under the second and third and pull through the loop created by the first 90-degree angle you made. This doesn't allow the rope to twist as in the twisting knot, but lay flat instead. Repeat the knot in alternating directions until you've got the length desired. The third knot we're going to learn is the alternating square knot. You will need 4 lark's head knots to start. Repeat what you learned with the square knot. Create 1 knot in each direction with the first 2 strands. Then create 1 knot in each direction with the second 2 strands. Take the 2 middle strands from the 2 knots you've created and create another square knot slightly further down. Then alternate by taking the first 4 ropes and then the second 4 ropes. Take the 4 ropes in the middle and repeat the square knot on either side. Repeat the pattern until you've got the desired length. The next knot we're going to learn is the berry knot. Start with 2 lark's head knots. Create 2 square knots. And then take the middle 2 ropes and thread it up through the hole at the top. Pull tight until you create your berry. Then tie 1/2 of a square knot using the outer 2 branches to tie your berry in place. Repeat those steps as desired. You can make bigger knots by using more rope or by using more square knots in the middle of your berry. Make sure you leave enough gap in between the berries for the berry to actually fold up into. The last one we're going to go through is the fishbone knot, which I really love the effect of. You will need 5 lark's head knots, so 10 strands. Take the 4 ropes in the middle and create a square knot as normal. Then take the next 2 strands from the middle and tie a square knot using the middle 2 strands. Repeat with the next outer ropes. Take the final 2 ropes and tie a square knot using the middle 2 ropes. Then find the first 2 ropes from your first square knot, bring those round to the front and tie a square knot. Then take the next 2 ropes and repeat the same pattern. You can lift it up behind to see where the next 2 ropes are coming from. You can create this pattern with more ropes on the outside, which will make it larger. And there you have it, 5 different square knot variations. Thanks for watching, make sure you like and subscribe and stay tuned for my next videos.